So what's up guys, it's Prosper here again, and here's another tutorial video. And in this video I'm about to show you guys is how you can create the area of a square, right? How you can create the area of a square. In our previous class we discussed on how you can create the area of a rectangle. So today we want to discuss, or we can say in this video we want to discuss on how you can create or how you can code the area of a square using the C programming language. And you know, C programming language is a very wide and popular programming language, which is a high level programming language, right? So let's get started. So for we to get started, there are some little things we have to do, which are: one, we need to know the values and the variable we are declaring. Yeah, the values of each variable we are declaring. And nextly, we need to watch on how we make our syntaxes, right? So let's get started. So to get started, first we have to declare our variables. So in declaring our variables, we mostly use the double, because double works with both integer and float, right? Both integer and decimal number. Yes. So say double. So what are we doubling? We want to double length. We want to double length. We want to double length. We also want to double area. Yes. So what do we need for this? Yeah, these are all what we shall need for the. So from here, so let's reuse this. So we can say enter the length of the square. Enter the length of the square. Enter the length of the square. So now we need to hold what the user is going to take in. So we use the word scanf on function. So scanf, open parenthesis, open double quotes, right? So open double quotes. There's a bracket. Where's our bracket always from? Go shisha. So in this, so we say percentage LF this thing is not sick. What's wrong with this one? Okay, let's just continue. Manage it. So percentage LF close comma, then ampersand and length. So close parentheses, terminate. So we terminate with what? A semicolon. So hope we're not having any error, because we don't know what our cursor is doing right here. So now we need to declare the function of our area. So we say our area equals to what? length times length. Yes, because it's L square. Then we terminate it. So next we're going to do now is we want to print our answer. So we say print f. So print f, we say the area of the square is what? So we say percentage is percentage, or before we do that we put a colon, is percentage dot 2LF. Then we have a /n for new line. Then we close the double quotation comma. Then this should hold for what? Area. So closing parenthesis, we have to terminate the line right there. So the next thing we want to do is let's debug if this is correct, if this is properly run. So we're going to test it right away. So let's debug and run. So successfully it's run. So the next thing we want to see if it works. So it works perfectly. So in this case we have learned how to run the area of a square using a C programming language. So if you love what we're doing in this channel, ensure you like and subscribe to the channel, because we have a lot to give to you guys, a lot, ranging from mathematics to computer science to development of web projects, web app projects, and coding. So you're gonna love what we're doing right here. Stay tuned and stay subscribed. See you guys in the next tutorial video.